Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video let's talk about how to use Trim's transaction tracker. Keeping up with your spendings doesn't have to be overwhelming. Trim's transaction tracker makes it easy, so let's walk through exactly how to use it. First, log into the Trim app. From the home screen, you want to tap on the Transactions tab in the bottom menu. This takes you to a full list of your recent transactions, activities, money going in, money going out of all of your linked accounts are all displayed right here. Each transaction is listed by date with the merchant's name, amount, and category clearly displayed. You can scroll through to see everything at a glance. If you want to filter what you see, just tap the filter icon. You can sort transactions by date, range, accounts, or even categories, like just your dining or subscription expenses. You can also search by keywords. For example, you can type Netflix to see every charge from that Netflix service. If you spot a transaction that looks unfamiliar, you can tap it to get more information, and you can also flag it or even reassign it to the correct category. Trim also highlights recurring payments, helping you easily spot what charges repeat monthly. This is super helpful for budgeting or for canceling things that you no longer use. That's how you stay on top of your spendings with Trim Transaction Tracker. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how to customize your dashboard so it reflects what matters most to you. Like, subscribe, and stick with me for more Trim tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.